there are mosquitoes absolutely everywhere. I'm getting 100% eaten alive. This shoot is over. Welcome back. Today we're going to be sewing what I'm calling the Fae gown. In reality, it is the Edith pattern from mood.com. It's free, it's printable. I didn't print it out because I don't have a printer. So I just kind of guessed the pattern based off of that. I haven't assembled it yet, but I have cut out all of the pieces. The problem is I don't really remember what they all are because I don't have the pattern, and I did this like 2 months ago, and then I just never assembled it. But I have high hopes. It can't be that difficult. Plus, at the very, very least, look at this fabric. Like, come on, it's begging to be made into like a fairy gown. So, let's just go ahead and do it. Somebody's definitely outside mowing their lawn, and so hopefully you can't hear that because I'm using this teeny little microphone to express my thoughts, to talk to you. I feel like the host of The Price is Right. Okay, let's get to it. Looks like I've got some pieces that are semi-similar here. Best guess, this is like the waistband or the belt or something. And then here, these are either straps. No, those are straps. This has got to be, that's something. Okay, that's something. Okay, this is for sure. This is like the top part. Let's see where we get. Okay, so what I have is I have the two bust pieces, the little belt thingy that they'll get like sewn to, both straps, one for this side, one for this side, and then this is the back part of the belt that'll go around. Elastic goes in here, elastic goes in here, elastic goes in here, and then all I have left to do is the skirt. So I'm like gonna actually really try and like bust this out because I think I can. Like, let's do this. Finished the top part. Well, almost. I still have to connect the straps to the back, but it's almost time that I can start working on the skirt, and I have like a whole bunch more fabric, so I'm gonna make it as big as I possibly can because that's what I do. Let's go. Okay, so I have the skirt sewn on to the top part. This is what it looks like. Oh, fix that. Just how embarrassing. In this house, we craft in pajamas, and we don't have to, like, you know, be ready to craft. We just have to be ready to craft, you know? So, it's good. The last part is I'm going to use this long fabric and, like, attach it to the shoulders. I actually made that dress like 6 months ago, and I edited the video like 4 months ago, and then 2 months ago I bought all this stuff to make like a whole headdress, and now I'm finally getting to it. So here is that process. Gotta go find a place to take pictures at. This is not gonna work. Okay. And this is what we landed on. It's done. I love it, first of all. The dress material, terrible. It's just straight up plastic, but was easy to sew. Following the pattern was really easy. I mean, I didn't actually print out the pattern from Mood, but I figured out how to make it anyways, and it came together relatively quickly. This head crown thing is one of my favorites that I've made so far, and this makeup, I'm really loving the cute little like freckles. I'm not the greatest person at makeup. I know how to do one look. I learned it for my wedding, and that's where I stand with makeup. Maybe one day I will learn something better. I don't really have the kind of face that can really morph into different characters. So for right now, with my skill level, I've decided to just make myself pretty and go with that, and it seems to be working. But yeah, for not really having much of a plan and starting this outfit
6 months ago
and only working on it like in pieces as I went, it turned out just awesome. If you enjoyed this content, this is your formal invitation to like and subscribe. In this house, we craft in pajamas. New videos are on their way.